Recently, I discovered a simple way to create a UK TikTok account from Nigeria. You don't need a VPN, you don't need to pay anyone, and there is no trick here. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it in the right way, because creating a UK account is one thing, but using it correctly so that TikTok doesn't ban you is the real game. Now, many people want a UK TikTok account because UK TikTok accounts can access better monetization feature, better reach opportunities, and the creator reward program. But the mistake that I see that most people make is trying to use a VPN shortcut. And honestly, that method is outdated already. Now, let me be very clear with you. You do not need a VPN to create a UK TikTok account. In fact, using a VPN can make things worse because TikTok can detect suspicious activities, and when they detect it, your account may get shadow banned or completely banned, or your IP may get flashed. So the safe method is what I'm going to show you now. Now, the first step is to open your Chrome browser. Whether you are using a PC, you're using an Android phone, or you're using an iPhone, it's still the same method. So I have my Chrome browser open right now. I'm just going to search for TikTok, tiktok.com. So once I search for tiktok.com, I'll go to profile and click on login. So now, when you click on login, you're going to see several options like use TikTok app, use so now what we are doing right here is if you check under here, you see that by there's an instruction written here that by continuing with an account located in Nigeria. So now what you are going to do is look carefully and click on the country displayed here. So this is where the magic actually happens. So I'm going to search for United Kingdom. I'm going to search for United Kingdom. So let's see. So this is United Kingdom. I'm going to change my country to United Kingdom. That's just it. Then I'm going to click on the sign up button. So now for the sign up button, you have several options here to sign up, either your phone, email, Facebook, continue with Google, or continue with Apple. So I won't do all of these things. I will only use my email. So once you click on use phone or email, they are going to ask you to select your date of birth. So let me just use a random date of birth for this video. So yeah, let's click next. Then you're going to input your email address, right? So let me just input an email address. Let me just input an email address. So after this, TikTok is going to send you guys a verification code, and okay, let me try in your account then. So I'm going to try again later, but it's still the same process. I think my network is a bit fluctuating right now. So after you sign up with email, enter your email, your password. TikTok is going to send you a verification code. Then paste the code, and your account is created already. Now, when you want to know whether your account is in the UK or not, just go to your profile under settings. Then when you check on account information, when you check on the location, it definitely shows that your account is in UK. So, and that's just it on how to create a professional UK TikTok account. Now, there are rules to these things. Never use a VPN after creating a UK TikTok account, because if you actually use a VPN, TikTok may think you're bypassing their system and they can get your account banned. Rule number two, after creating the account, please do not rush to start posting. Allow the account to stay inactive for about 2 3 days. So this will actually help TikTok trust the account behavior. And also, do not repost downloaded videos. Do not steal content and post it on your account, because when it is time for monetization, TikTok is going to reject you. So now you've learned how to create a professional UK TikTok account. Please use it properly to grow your audience, qualify for monetization, because that's the real goal, especially for those that want to use it for clipping. So if this video helped you guys, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you want more videos about TikTok growth, AI income, remote opportunities, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.